Campers, Dustin here with Pine Acres RV and Stewiacke, and I have another fresh arrival. This here is a 2025 Wildwood Heritage Glen 27RKHL, and this unit has tons of super awesome features. We're going to start at the back down here, guys. So up first, we have our on-demand hot water heater, which is super nice to have. You do have an outside fridge, as well as two exterior JBL upgraded exterior speakers, of course. Nice large awning, LED lights underneath the awning, and right up over here, we have the largest in-class tinted windows, and they do open. Wide suspension, wide track tires on it, super nice. You do have a leash latch there for your pets, of course. Up next, we have Weather Shield, which is a one-piece fiberglass roof. That's super neat, not seen on most older campers. And, of course, with Heritage Glen, nice big insulated storage. Beautiful. Forgot to mention, we do have power extend and retracting jacks, so no more of that cranking. Up here we do have three-piece solid steps coming in, and let's check out this beauty. Oh, there we go. Alright guys, there's your controller for your JBL speakers. You also have all your unit controls there and a dimmer light switch. Coming into the main area, this is a rear kitchen unit, so you have tons of kitchen space. Two beautiful recliners there. Across from that, we have a beautiful couch that does pull out into a bed. Love the updated table. So it doesn't drop down into a bed, unfortunately, but you can also fold these chairs up, hide them away, have two people, or you can have four people sitting there. Love the way they came out with the blinds. Sideways on the other windows. Beautiful. Back here, we do have some extra pantry space. Very deep, too, so you're storing tons of stuff in there. Furrion refrigerator, 12 volt of course. Tons of space in that as well. And then all the countertop space you could ask for. We do have the 3-burner Furrion stove, Furrion oven, microwave, and range hood. Tons of storage here behind me for your cups and whatnot. Also a nice little spot you can put your spices right in here. More storage behind the sink here, and you do have the one-piece stainless steel sink, which I just absolutely love in these campers. Right up front here, we do have our entertainment area. Beautiful, nice sized TV, fireplace that will throw out some heat, and storage on either sides. Also forgot to mention that these chairs do recline. Super nice. I can pop one out actually, I'll show you guys that. And then they go back a little bit more. Very comfortable. Coming up this way. Guys, come on, let's check out the bathroom. So we have a beautiful bathroom in here. I love the bathroom. You have tons of storage underneath here. Beautiful vanity, and very nice faucet there. A beautiful mirror, and some extra storage shelves there. You do have extra storage in here, and some house coat hooks or towel hooks right there. Tons of space around the flush, and then of course your great size shower. You have the extra headroom as well. Now come on into the bedroom with me, guys. I want to show you something really neat about this. So we have the sliding door, barn style door to come into the bedroom. Versatile bed with his or hers closets and outlets on both sides and some storage up at top. But the real awesome part about this bedroom is you come over here, you have another sliding door, and you're prepped for a washer and dryer, guys. You can live in this thing. How cool is that? Folks, this is a beautiful unit. This one's going to be at our RV show, so definitely check us out there. And don't forget to check out our website at www.pineacresrv.com, and we hope to see you at the show.